When are we going to hear it? Oh, they just noticed it.
They must be at the high school.
Shouldn't we hear it by now?
Almost. Usually it's about.
Oh, really? Sean, I got it on video. Don't worry about it.
It is really quiet. Usually we hear it.
I thought we'd hear it by now.
Huh? Maybe it blew up. Did it blow up?
No.
No.
I'm just throwing out possibilities.
But it's weird. It's got, like, you see several different fire things by now.
It may be a different rocket.
Yeah, but it should still be loud, shouldn't it?
I don't know. I'm not an engineer. I'm just throwing out things. This is a park and rec major here. It's really pretty though.
It looks pretty at night, like a shooting star.
Yeah. There we go.
Oh, there comes the rumble. Wow, took that long.
Look, you can feel it too.
I know. My son is having incidents.
Feel it.
Look at the rocket.
Whoa. He's so busy trying to get a picture, he's totally lost it.
That was a really good rocket launch.
Okay, I lost track of it.
How far are we away, do you think, from where they launched?
Well, it's
I think it's about 20
434,
minutes to north.
like 343 meters per second. That's the speed of sound. So if you wanted to time it, figures maybe 20, 30 seconds.
Yeah,
Math,
Everybody's
bad
clapping.
with.
You hear?
I know.
That was really pretty.
That's
I
wild.
should stop talking.
That's okay.
Probably about 11 kilometers. So
I thought it would be louder, I really did.
about 11
But you could
kilometers,
feel the
12
rumble.
miles.
Oh, my eyes.
My son's gonna get tipped over on the way back, I know it. Somebody will do it.
Why is the screen the flashlight?
You need to be 20% smarter than your equipment.
Oh, God.
Oh, my eyes. Why is it strobing?
How does he have his camera doing a strobe light? I guess I probably should have given him the phone like before tonight instead, so we could have at least tried it.
That was really good.
You still hear the rumble, but it's not too bad.
Why is the phone screen the flashlight?
Sean, hush.
Taking it off the screen yet?
You can still see it
No,
up
that's
there.
enough the part that's producing the bright lights.
Wow.
You want to know how to make it stop?
Turn it off.
There you just put it face down.
Hit that candy little button on the side.